Okay, I'm following along with the little tutorial here, and I set up the circuit the way that it said to, which I have right here, right? And it said to take the easy port controller here and label one of the inputs that matches with the solenoid valve. And so that's what I did, and then it said to hit play, and you should be able to use the little finger icon to click on the switch, and it will control one of the solenoid valves on the actual stacking station. But when I click play, I get this. It says, at least one EasyPort hardware cannot be initialized. Please check the settings of the serial port as well as the model number. So I'm not sure what to do with that. I tried just running it anyway, even with that, and it works over here, and it indicates that it's activating that port, but nothing is happening on the actual stacking station. So I'm just not sure what to do. Thanks.